Hello and welcome. I'm back again with another interesting video. It is, in so many ways, 7 months presented to you in under 7 minutes, and the result was worth all the work. The simple technique can be deployed on all Adenium varieties and by anyone. So please make sure you stay right with me for this video and know all about incision, soil mix, watering schedule, sunlight exposure, real-time updates, and at the end of the video, we'll do something crazy. Cut the top of this Adenium with newly discovered radial roots. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell, because this video would serve as the benchmark for another crazy video that would follow once we see radial branches on this. Let's begin the radial root journey now. To replicate the results shown in this video, make sure you pick up an Adenium that is more than 3 years old. Cut the main root to a point that you're just left with 3 to 4 inches of it under the soil. Cover the wound with a thick layer of cinnamon powder. The pot has 50% garden soil and 50% sand, the normal one. If you have access to river sand, even better. Now get a plastic lid, almost double the radius of the main root. Cover the lid with cinnamon powder to avoid any problems the wound might face while being under the soil. Place the lid 2 to 3 inches from the top of the pot. If you got pebbles, stones, mulch, or dried leaves, place them on the topsoil. This would keep the pot moisturized for longer and also give much needed support to the plant. 7 months into the process, and we'll have a look-see at the results. What's going on under the soil, and have we got the radial roots as expected? Gently remove the soil around the roots. Alternatively, you can simply put the clod in a bucket full of water for 5 minutes. After the first incision, let the plant stay in the shade for 2 weeks and water every 4 days or so. And from the 3rd week onwards, start watering only once a week and let the plant be in the sun for 6 to 8 hours. The plant was busy growing radial roots, hence did not flower or grew any new branches. You would agree that it looks healthier, more stable, and the Caudex is all set to grow even bigger during the coming few months. I'll use the same pot for the Adenium and let the radial roots grow even more sturdy and thick. And after a year, I'll be transferring it to a bonsai pot. Let the roots be just 2-3 inches below the soil without any plastic lid or anything. Now the roots will grow in the same pattern going forward. That's it for today. We are done with the radial root technique. However, this is something you'll see in one of the future videos on this channel. As I shared earlier, this adenium would be made into a bonsai. So I'm pruning the top part of it to add radial branch structure to the newly formed radial roots. That would be another awesome video. I'm excited, and if you are too, then don't forget to press the notification bell. Thank you so much for your time. As always, I had so much fun bringing this video to you. I'll be back sooner than you think with more videos. Please take care, stay safe, stay healthy. Cheers, goodbye.